Okay, first let me apologize for the flashy video. This camera for some reason does that. But anyways, I've got a wire harness here out of a 1990 Dodge full-size truck. This runs the heat and AC controls. That's the style that it runs. It also runs the blower motor, different fan speeds. This harness plugs into the rest of the dash harness. It's separate from that. This one had a small problem where there was a wire here that got too hot and it melted the plug a little bit and the terminal was no good. So I went ahead and soldered on a new terminal. It doesn't quite fit in here perfectly, so it's probably better if you slide this terminal onto your blower motor resistor and then the rest of the plug. This way you'll be all set. I can't hold the camera and the blower motor and operate the switch at the same time, so I'm going to set you down in front of the controls and just have you listen to the different fan speeds just to prove that everything works. Let me turn on my power supply. Set you down over here. Okay, here we go. There's 4 different speeds on this, so that's low. We'll call that medium low. And medium high. And then full high. And then back down through. And then back to off. So there you go. Shows that the fan switch works and that the wire harness works as it should.